ready to turn your passion for beat making into a profitable online business. Today, we're diving into how to build a professional beat store using Wix, no coding required. First, head over to Wix.com and sign up for an account, or log in if you already have one. Once you're in your Wix dashboard, click on Create New Site. Wix will then ask you the type of website you would like to create. Select Music and then Beat Store. Choose the Wix ADI to easily create a template or create your own from scratch. Whichever template you select, it will provide a great foundation to start selling your beats. Now, add an audio player. Wix has several options. Explore them in the Wix app market. Simply drag and drop the player onto your page. Upload your beats. Most audio players will allow you to customize the look and feel of your audio player so the layout and design best fits your website. Next, create pricing plans to ensure users understand the terms of use for the beat that you will sell. Outline your licensing options clearly for each beat. This avoids any confusion on how the buyer can use your beat. Finally, set up secure payment options. Go to Settings, then Accept Payments, and connect your preferred payment gateway, like PayPal or Stripe. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional beat store ready to make sales. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and good luck.